Good morning, kids. I hope you all are enjoying the PPT that I'm sharing and you are learning from it. Now, before starting today's class, we'll do a quick recap as what we did yesterday. Yesterday, we learned about aquatic plants and their habitat. Now, aquatic plants have thin and broad leaves which make them easily float on the water. These leaves have air space which make them light and they can easily float on the water. They have wax coating on the surface of the leaves. This wax coating don't allow too much water to get collected on the leaves and they prevent the leaves from getting spoiled. So this wax coating is also one of the adaptation of the aquatic plants. They also have soft stem which doesn't break easily with the flow of the water. So these plants can easily float on the water. Now today we are going to learn about more plants and how they are suited to their habitat. So take out page number 33. Let's write section. Based on the discussion only we are going to do this page. Now the cactus that we have already done, they have thick stem with spines which prevent the water loss from the plants, and because of the spines the animals also can't eat them. Now the aloe vera have thick leaves which stores water and help them to survive in the hot climate. This is one of the adaptation that aloe vera has. Now the grape plants or the grape trees, they have soft tendrils which help them to twine around the branches of the other plants, and through this twinning they can easily climb up on the other trees which give their leaves more exposure to the sunlight through which they can cook the food and they can grow easily. So these grapes have these tendrils as adaptation which helps them to twine around the branches of other trees. Now night blooming, which is also known as Rat Rani. So these plants, you must have heard their name. They are very scented flowers, and these scented flowers attract the insects towards themselves for the pollination. Pollination means these insects carry the seed of this flower from one place to another, which helps in the growth of another plants at some other place. So this Ratrani has a very nice smell which attracts the insect for the pollination. Now let's come to page number 35. Here you can see two pictures. Few children are there and they are discussing as why these plants are growing so beautifully in picture number 1 and why they are not growing so nicely in picture number 2. If you see picture number 1, the children are discussing that this area gets proper sunlight and air. That's why the plants are growing nicely. The second boy is saying these plants must have been planted before the other one, that why they have grown faster. Third one is saying this one is prettier because someone is looking after them. Now if you see the plants that are growing in the first picture, you can see they are aligned in a proper way. If you see the soil, they are wet, means somebody is giving water to these plants, and if you see the soil, it is properly plugged. That means that somebody is taking care of this plant, somebody is taking care of this habitat. That's why these plants are growing so nicely over here. This habitat is getting proper sunlight, proper rain. That's why these plants are growing nicely. But if you see the second picture, you can see that rabbits are eating the plants. The boys are discussing as why the plants are not growing so nicely over here. The one boy is saying that I think rabbits have eaten the plant, that's why they are not growing. The second boy is saying that people take shelter under the tree, so they must have trampled the plants. Trampled means the people who take shelter under the tree, they must have put their foot on these plants. That's why they are not growing. The third child is saying, I think the tree takes up all the nutrients from the soil, so the plants can't grow over here. So basically, they are discussing as why the plants are not growing beautifully in this picture. If you see this picture, you can see that soil is not wet, means they are not getting the proper water to grow, and they are under the shade of such a huge tree, so they are not getting proper sunlight also to grow. That's why the plants in the second picture are not growing so nicely. So you can see, you can compare these two habitat. In one habitat, the plants are growing so nicely because they are getting proper sunlight, proper water. Somebody is taking care of these plants. That's why they are growing so nicely in this. But in the second habitat, if you see, the plant are not getting the enough sunlight, which is their natural requirement. They are not getting proper water. That's why these plants are not growing very nicely. Nobody is actually looking after these plants. Now let's come to page number 36. Here you can see two pictures. Each of them depict a habitat. Now based on our learning, whatever you have learned till now, we are going to just compare these two types of habitat. Now if you see the first picture, you will see that all over the field, this is actually a farmland, all over the field you can see bright yellow flowers growing all over the field. These are actually the mustard plants which are growing all over the field. The land is flat and they are spread all over the area because the soil distribution is equal all over the place. The people are taking care of this area. They are plugging the soil, they are providing right moisture to the plants, they are getting enough sunlight. That's why these mustard plants are growing so nicely in that area. They need proper soil and they need proper water to grow. But if you see the second picture, it looks like a boundary wall and some small plants or small weeds you can see or grasses are coming out from the patches wherever they are getting little bit of soil and moisture. Nobody is taking care of this boundary wall, nobody is giving water to these plants, nobody is plugging the soil. Then also you see some weeds or some grasses are coming out. So all plants you can say doesn't need regular water or too much of soil to grow like mustard plant. They can grow in an area wherever they are getting a little bit of soil and moisture also. So each habitat is different. Each plant have their own habitat. They can grow wherever they are getting the right environment. If you try to grow the mustard on this boundary wall, they will not grow because they need uniform soil distribution, they need right quantity of water, they need people to take care of them, and they can grow on a farmland where the soil is uniformly distributed, the land is flat, where there only they can grow. But few plants are there that can grow anywhere wherever they are getting little bit of soil or moisture. So these two picture depicts the two different kind of habitat. Each plant have their own habitat. Some plants need proper care from the humans. Some plants can grow anywhere. They do not need any care. If they are getting little bit of soil and moisture, they can grow easily over there. So through this activity, you have this activity will help you to sharpen your observation and thinking that each plant have their own habitat. Wherever they get the right environment, they will grow. No two plants or no two trees or not two small plants can have the same type of habitat. And through this activity, you also learn to distinguish between the habitat, which is the core concept of this whole discussion that we are doing from so many days. So today we have compared two different types of habitat. We have seen that a plant grow better in their particular habitat only where they are getting the proper requirement that they need for their proper growth. So today we have completed the whole chapter plants. In this whole chapter we have learnt about different parts of the plant along with their function. We have done different activities also, and we also learnt about the adaptation or the features which we see in different plants which help them to survive in their particular habitat. Now to revise all these concepts that we have done under topic adaptation, we will do some revision work on page number 37 in your book. PDF file I have already shared, so you can check it from there. Also, if you don't have the book, and you need to complete this page number in your book. If you don't have the book, do this work in any of the rough notebook. This work will be shared on the Snap app, so you can refer this work on the Snap app and complete this work. So today is the end of the class. Bye bye and